Top 5 Best Doggy Door for Sliding Glass Door. Number 5. Power Pet Automatic Sliding. If you've ever had the frustration of installing a pet door your pet won't use, the Power Pet Automatic Door could be the answer to your prayers. This works with a digitally coded ultrasonic collar worn by your pet. When they approach the door, it will open automatically and close after they've gone through. There are a few issues with this otherwise excellent piece of technology, however. One is that curious dogs may enjoy sitting in front of the door, enjoying the view and subjecting to you to freezing drafts. The other is that the collars are prone to breaking. Get a backup to avoid the annoyance of finding your dog can no longer open the door. The door itself, however, is much more robust. It has 2 layers of energy-efficient low-E tempered glass and a sturdy aluminum frame. Installation is pretty simple. In most cases, it will take less than an hour. And the door comes with plenty of weather stripping to keep out drafts. The doors require power and come with an AC adapter. If you want to, you can use them with batteries instead. But you'll need to buy a separate charger and battery to do that. Pros. Great for dogs or cats who don't like pushing open pet doors. Well constructed, with 2 layers of tempered glass and a sturdy aluminum frame. Installation is straightforward. Cons. The ultrasonic collars need to be replaced far too regularly. You'll need to buy extra accessories if you want to use batteries to power the door. Coming in number 4. PetSafe Extreme Weather Sliding. The second pet door from PetSafe is specifically designed to cope with extreme weather. It has double glazing, 3 layers to the pet flap, and weatherproofing to keep out the cold air. The weatherproofing isn't the thickest though, so you may want to replace it with something heavier duty. It's easy to install using either adhesive strips or screws. It comes in 2 sections, top and bottom, which you join together with brackets and screws. There's a spring-loaded height adjuster, so it will sit snugly in position. And it can be removed when needed, so it's perfect for those who are renting their home. The flap has a magnetic seal to make sure it shuts tight. Replacement flaps are available separately too. The door comes with a lockable bar that's mounted to your existing sliding door. Note, though, that there's no way to fold the bar out of the way. If you want to open the patio door, you'll need to remove it. You can stop your pet coming in and out if you need to with a slide-in panel. It's also a good way of adding extra protection during bad weather. Pros: double glazing and 3-layer flap provide protection from extreme weather. Magnetic seal keeps the flap closed firmly when not in use. Comes with a lockable security bar. Cons. There's no way to fold up the security bar, so you'll need to remove it if you want to open the patio door. The weatherproofing isn't as heavy-duty as we'd like. Coming in number 3. Ideal Pet Aluminum Dog Door. This dog door from Ideal Pet Products is height adjustable from just over 77.5 inches to 80.4 inches. And it comes with a choice of 5 flap sizes from small to super large. There's a version with a cat flap too. And they're all very competitively priced. The frame is aluminum and it will only work with aluminum framed patio doors. If that's what you have, it's easy to install. We have, though, heard of some issues with the flap allowing cold air inside. The weather stripping isn't as robust as it could be. And cat owners used to a cat door that can be closed in one direction only will miss that function. The only way to secure the door is to use the slide to secure it in place, preventing it from being used at all. As with all sliding door pet doors, make sure you'll be able to fit through the space that's left with the pet door in place. The bigger your pet and you are, the more of a challenge it may be to accommodate you both. Pros: adjustable height. Available in 5 different sizes, plus a cat flap option. Easy to install. Cons. Not suitable for use with vinyl patio doors. The flap is prone to letting in cold air. Coming in number 2. Endura Flap Sliding Vinyl Doggy Door. Endura's dog door is a seriously pricey investment. But it's manufactured in the USA and built to last a lifetime. And if the door ever develops a problem, Endura guarantees to fix it for you free of charge. The door has a sturdy vinyl frame, and there's a polymer flap for your pet to get in and out. The construction is designed to keep your home snug. The flap will withstand winds of up to 50 miles per hour. And it's insulated to cope with temperatures down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Even so, you may still find you need to buy extra weather stripping to get a draft-free installation. Your patio doors need to have a track at least 1.5 inches wide for this to fit. It comes in 2 heights, each of which can be adjusted by 3 inches. The shorter door will fit track heights of between 74.75 and 77.75 inches. The taller will fit heights between 77.25 and 80.25 inches. There are 4 different flap sizes too, for small, medium, large and extra large pets. It comes with a lockable cover that's as strong as 1/16 inch steel. Use that to stop your pet coming and going, and to secure your home overnight. The top of the door can be adjusted to make it easier to both install and remove. The major downside with this one is the price. It costs 5 times as much as the one-piece PetSafe option. But the lifetime guarantee means you should never have to buy another pet door. Pros: available in 2 different heights and 4 different flap sizes. Built to withstand winds of up to 50 miles per hour and temperatures down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Comes with a lifetime warranty. Cons: expensive. You may still find you need extra weather stripping to keep out drafts. Coming in number 1. PetSafe One-Piece Doggie Door. PetSafe make a great range of doors to give pets easy access to outdoor space. Their one-piece door comes with adjustable height to allow you to fit it perfectly to your door track. There are 2 options. The smaller is adjustable up to a height of 80.7 inches, while the larger will extend to up to 96 inches. The opening section for your pet also comes in a range of different sizes, from small to extra large. To find the right option, you'll need to measure the width of your pet's chest and their height to their shoulders. Take a look at the product specifications to match the dimensions to the door. No DIY is needed to install it, and you won't need to drill any holes in your existing door. That makes this a great option for rental properties. And if you move home, you can simply remove the door and take it with you. But if your door frame isn't completely square, be prepared for a certain amount of hassle with installation. It comes with a sweep seal to attach to the back of the patio door. But there's no seal between the side of the dog door and either your patio door or the door frame. If your door is perfectly square, that's probably not a problem. But if anything doesn't align perfectly, you'll need to buy extra seals to avoid drafts. It comes with a security lock to keep your patio door fixed firmly in place next to the pet door. And you can also control your pet's access if you need to, using the supplied door cover. The frame is aluminum and the window sections are made from toughened glass. There's a magnetic catch on the door to prevent it swinging open and letting in rain or cold air. Pros: plenty of size options to get the perfect fit for your pet. Comes with a lock to keep your patio door secure. Easy to remove and reuse elsewhere. Cons: installation can be tricky if your patio doors aren't completely square. You may find you need to buy additional seals to keep out drafts.